I really like the odds in the rental section, and three things can happen, okay guys? One, the guy is a professional landlord like myself. He's gonna say, hey, F you, I'm not interested, okay? Tough luck guys, no big deal. So you say thank you very much, you move on with life. So this is a professional landlord. Now this is where it gets real good. Number two, you're gonna call one of these people in the rental section, and this is what I call an accidental landlord. Alright, accidental landlord, they're trying to sell their house, but because there's not that much equity in the property, so they're willing to just rent the property, and they don't have no clue how to be a landlord. They never read a book, they never gone to a seminar, so they're gonna get pretty beat up in the ring, if you know what I mean. Okay, so these guys, if you call them, they're gonna be very motivated. So bing, 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 bing. Now the third thing that can happen, I'm gonna put 5 stars on here on number 2. The third thing that can happen is you call a professional landlord, but he's old, he's ready to retire, or maybe he's passed away and his wife has the estates, all the rental properties, or the son, the grandson has it, what have you. There's a lot of motivation out there. You call one of these rental properties and the guy might have 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 3, who knows, 2 properties, and they're ready to get out of the game to retire, or some horrible thing has happened to them that's made them motivated and now they want to sell. So this is a great opportunity guys. So professional landlord wants to retire or get out of the game. So I'm gonna give this a 3-star. So in a nutshell, whatever you call rentals, you have 2 out of 3 chance of a scoring, guys. 2 out of 3, man. I don't know how to explain this. This is such a good odds. 2 out of 3 to get a deal. And these number 3, if you get a deal with that, that's like a home run, because they might have multiple properties you're able to lock up at one time. Okay, guys? So this is why I like to call in the rental section. So I would do the same thing for Craigslist. I would do the same thing for the newspaper.
Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy, where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on, for just $97 a month. Join me now at MrNoFluff.com. Lastly, the best 6-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.MrNoFluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.